Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing very well. So friends, we are here with our new content for today. So today's content will be about how to add apps to the desktop in Windows 11. Alright, so let's start the video without delay. First, you have to come in front of your Windows and do a right click. After doing that, as you scroll down a bit, you will see an option called Personalize. Okay, you simply need to click on Personalize. After that, you will see an option called Theme at number 3. You need to click on this theme. After that, when you scroll down a bit, you will see an option for Desktop Icon Settings. You need to click on your desktop icon settings. After that, this option might be turned off on many of your computers. Turn on this option and then click on OK. Alright, after clicking OK, you need to minimize it. After doing that, when you come here to Windows and click on it, you will see an option called All. Just simply click on this All option. After that, find the app you want to bring to the desktop, press it, drag to the side and release it here. You will see that the app you selected has appeared here. This way you can bring any app you need here to the desktop. Drag that app in this way and drop it to the side. Now, your application will come up. So friends, if you like this video, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and share it. That's it for now.